Let's start. The project name is the bottom app bar. Let's see the project structure. At the app level build.gradle file, write this plugin. Here we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. In the menu directory, we have a bottom app bar menu.xml file. Let's see the menu first. This is the bottom app bar menu. Let's see the UI. This is the bottom app bar with some menu items. Let's see the code. In the activity_main.xml file, the coordinator layout is the root layout. Inside that, we have a nested scroll view. At the bottom of the screen, we place a bottom app bar. Here we set the gravity to the bottom. Then we set the navigation icon. Also, we set the menu for this app bar. Finally, we set a floating action button. The layout anchor attribute is set to the bottom app bar. So this floating action button will be set in a notch created on the bottom app bar. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, we set the menu item click listener of the bottom app bar. When a menu item is clicked, we show a toast. Here, we set the navigation icon click listener of the bottom app bar, so when the icon is clicked, we show a toast. Similarly, we set the onClick listener of the floating action button, so when the floating action button is clicked, we show a toast. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can create a bottom app bar in Kotlin Android. Thanks for watching.